English Fast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B2. Investigate, laughter, yet again. Investigate. Investigate is a verb. B2 learners usually know investigate. To investigate means to try to uncover the facts about something, especially a crime. Here are some examples. He is going to investigate the crime scene. She is asking the authorities to investigate the matter. They investigated the death as a potential murder. Laughter. Laughter is a noun. B2 learners usually know laughter. Laughter is the act or sound of laughing that someone makes when they find something funny. Here are some examples. Love and laughter often go together. They say that laughter is the best medicine. By the end of the evening, we were in fits of laughter. Yet again. Yet again is a phrase. B2 learners usually know yet again. At B2, yet again means again, after something has happened many times before. Here are some examples. He was late for class yet again. Yet again, I would like to thank you for your help. He promised yet again to send the form, but we have received nothing. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with investigate, laughter and yet again. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the free CEFR B2 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.